why my audio decided to mess up like 3 or 4 times when I recorded this video, but hopefully it's fixed now. Now for these last two questions, I'm going to try and get them done pretty fast. The first part of the question asks us to write out the chemical formula for gold chloride dissociating in water. That's what we have here. Gold has a +3 charge because we know that each Cl has a -1 charge. So it gives us AuCl, Au +3, +3 Cl-. That's answered question 1. Part 1 of question 1. Part 2 is write the KSP calculation, right? So because the coefficient is 3, we have an exponent of 3. Because the coefficient is 1, we have an exponent of 1. And it's the concentrations, that's what these bars mean, of each ion. Now, we can do icebox. This is similar to icebox over here. We can do icebox. And so for this one we have 1, which is just x. And we have 3 times 1, which I'll put as 3 times x. Well, then we take these concentrations, because this is the change concentrations, and we put them into our equation for KSP. So that's x to the power of 1, 3x to the power of 3. That gives me 27x cubed multiplied by x, giving me 27x times 27x to the 4th power. We then take our KSP, which is up here, and divide it by 27 to the 4th root, and that gives us this 1.04 times 6 times 10 to the -6th power. And that's molarity. That's a molarity, a concentration, and that's 1 liter. So if we want to get rid of the liters, we multiply by liters. 1 liter, we multiply by 1, so we have the same molarity. And then we multiply by we have moles, so we want to find the mass. We multiply by the molar mass of gold, because it's an ion, gold. And that's 197. That gives me the answer that gives us the answer of 2.0488 times 10 to the -4th. And that's the answer to question 1. Question 2 asks, they gave us the concentration of silver. They gave us the concentration of silver, and we have 2 silver ions for every 1 complex ion of dicarbon tetraoxide, but it's probably got a better name, a formal name. So we take those, we divide this concentration by 2, which gives us 1.1 times 10 to the -4th. The coefficient becomes a square, and then we run this through. We multiply by to get our answer, which is 5.324 times 10 to the -12th. And that's the answer to both questions. And that's pretty quick. It's just the same as what we've been doing earlier.